Hello and congratulations, you've made it through to the very last lesson in our series of tutorials for bridge beginners. The app that we've been using is called Bridge Carlos, and there's a link to download it on this website. All of these lessons are on this website as well. So, Gerber and Blackwood, what's it all about? If you've been listening carefully throughout the other lessons, you would have heard me mention on occasion that we could ask our partner how many aces they have. Now, you don't just say, excuse me, partner, how many aces have you got? That would be against the rules. But as with all other things, bridge, we communicate through our bidding. We can still ask this question using some special reserved bids. So, why would we ask our partner how many aces they have? Well, we think we're going to make 6 or 7 level contract. That's 12 or 13 tricks. We're going to take all the tricks or lose just one. And if we think there's a chance of getting that very difficult contract, then we need to know exactly how many losers there's going to be. And unless we've got a void, we need all the aces. So how do we ask a partner how many aces you have? Well, the first method we're going to look at is called Blackwood, and it's initiated by bidding 4 no trumps over anything other than partner's no trump bid. So if we've just arrived at a 3 no trump contract, bidding 4 no trumps is an invitation to go to 6 no trumps. Gerber is what we would use in that situation. So we'll go to Gerber in a minute, but for now we're looking at Blackwood. So 4 no trumps over a suit, we're saying how many aces, partner? And here's how they respond. With 0 or 4 aces, it's 5 clubs, 1 ace, 5 diamonds, 2 aces, 5 hearts, 3 aces, 5 spades. And the way I remember this is that there's 2 dimples on a heart, 2 aces, and I go up with 3 aces and down with 1 ace, and a diamond has 1 point on it. A spade you can think of as having 3 points if you look at the 2 bumps on the bottom and the one at the top. So that's what I visualize in my mind, and to work out the right bid. You can also mentally count your way up the bidding table starting with 0. So the next bid up is 0, the next one up 1, 2, 3. So you don't have to remember all this. You can work it out fairly quickly on the spot. How do you know if your partner is bidding 4 aces or 0 aces with 5 clubs? Well, it's unlikely they're going to have 0 if they open the bidding or if they made a jump response. You're talking about 16 points there. There's really no way you could be confused between these 2 possibilities. It's clearly going to be one or the other, and it shouldn't be too hard to work it out. If you find all the aces you're looking for, you might decide to ask about kings. So we just repeat the procedure, starting with 5 no trumps. So 5 no trumps is asking kings, same pattern, clubs, 0 or 4, diamond with 1, hearts with 2, spades with 3. So once we've got that information, then we can then do the analysis to work out where the contract belongs. Whether we're going to retire in 6 or 7. So you have to be a little bit careful there that you don't go asking kings if the only place to retire to is clubs. So say you're looking for 2 kings, the partner only has 1 and bids 6 diamonds. You can't then bid 6 clubs. You're up to 7 clubs. So tough luck. So think about what the response is going to be before you ask the question. Gerber is a similar mechanism, but it's initiated by a 4 club bid. So this is the old hands tend to prefer the Gerber asking aces method because it sits lower on the bidding table. So where are we? Let's go back. must have accidentally clicked a link there, sorry. So 4 clubs out of the blue, or 4 clubs after another suit has been agreed. If I was to open 4 clubs, I'm not asking my partner how many aces they've got. I'm saying I've got 8 clubs in my hand and 6 to 11 points. That's just a simple weak opening, 4 clubs out of the blue, 4 clubs opening. But 4 clubs out of the blue after the bidding has commenced is Gerber. So say partner opens 2 no trumps and you're looking at a stack of points, you can go to 4 clubs. Same deal, repeat at the 5 level. Notice the different responses. It's only different in that diamonds corresponds to 0 or 4, hearts now corresponds to 1, spades to 2, and no trumps to 3. But it's similar in that it's just next bid up the bidding table. So 1 jump up the ladder is 0 or 4, 2 jumps up the ladder is 1, 3 jumps up the ladder is 2, 4 jumps up the ladder, 3 aces. Same procedure with kings, 5 clubs, bid 5 diamonds with 0 or 4, 5 hearts with 1, 5 spades with 2, no trumps with 3. And once you've worked out where all the aces and kings are, you're in position to find your slam, hopefully. Good luck. Let's do a little bit of practice. So, out of the blue, partner bids 4 clubs. Now this is not an opening bid of 4 clubs, but how many aces have we got? 2. So remember, we go up the bidding table, there's 0, 1, 2. So we're going to respond in spades at the next level, so that's 4 spades. 4 spades is correct. So our bid says nothing about spades. We've told the whole table that we have 2 aces because your opponents know how the system works. So that's the disadvantage of asking aces, is that you're not only telling your partner, you're telling your opponents as well. This is another Gerber request because over our no trump bid, partner bids clubs. Clubs over no trumps is always Gerber. So how many aces? We don't care about our points here. All we're looking at is the number of aces. 1, 2, 3. So we work our way up the table. There's 0, 1, 2, 3. So we need to bid no trumps at the next level, which is 4 no trumps. So it says nothing about no trumps. We've told the whole table that we've got 3 aces. Okay, this time it's a Blackwood request. Partner has bid 4 no trumps. How many aces? We have 2. So we've started in no trumps. Now let's work our way up the table. There's 0, 1, 2. We're going to respond in hearts. 5 hearts is correct. So, again, we're telling the whole table that we've got 2 aces. Here's another one. This time we've got 3 aces. So, if we remember the 3 points, 1, 2, 3, that's 5 spades. So 5 spades is correct. So Gerber and Blackwood, fairly easy once you've done it a few times and had a little bit of practice. I suggest that the app is the ideal way to practice. And that's all you need to know in order to get yourself to a table at your local bridge club. And I really hope to see you at the bridge club one day. Cheerio, have a great day.